Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by securing your progress and environment. First, copy the save folder to desktop or external storage so you can revert if needed. This preserves player data and mods. Next, verify game files through the launcher or Steam to replace corrupted assets. This fixes broken textures and missing models. Finally, update your GPU drivers, install the latest WHQL release, then restart the PC so the driver loads cleanly. Once done, launch the game and note any immediate errors to guide the next steps. You proceed into deeper diagnostics to find persistent problems. Disable all mods by moving the /mods folder or selecting a clean profile, because mod conflicts often produce crashes or physics glitches. Then, open the game log, output log, txt or player log, and search for error lines and stack traces to identify failing systems. Adjust in-game graphics, drop texture quality, disable post-processing, and cap FPS to reduce CPU/GPU strain. This often stabilizes frame drops and animation to sync. Make changes one at a time, test after each, and record results. You finish by restoring a clean game state and applying precise repairs. If problems persist, uninstall the game, remove leftover folders in program files and app data, then reinstall to eliminate corrupted installs. Alternatively, replace individual damaged files from a verified backup to preserve saves and mods. Finally, if issues remain, collect logs and system specs, reproduce the bug step by step, and submit a concise bug report to the developers. One key tip: if a fix fails, revert from your backup before trying the next method to avoid compounding errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.